Hello students, welcome to this math video tutorial on the area supernode, part 5, section E, area of trapezoids. Okay, trapezoid is a very interesting shape in that a trapezoid has two bases. So if we look at example 1, we see we've got one base at the top and we've got another base at the bottom, and then they are connected by a perpendicular line. That is the height. All right, so the formula for area of a trapezoid is a little bit different. So now we notice how in all of the videos I put a little code here because we're going to be combining a lot of different shapes. So far we know the area of a rectangle, area of a parallelogram, area of a triangle, and area of a square. That's why I put this little code here. So A of trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid, the formula is in brackets base 1 plus base 2 end bracket times h divided by 2. Now it's very important that you know that whenever we have a bracket right next to a letter, in between here is an invisible multiplication sign. Okay, so I need you to know that. But just in terms of algebra, we don't put the multiplication sign in there. Okay, so line number 2, what do we know? Well, we know that base 1 and base 2 right here. So base 1 equals 21 centimeters. Now I've made base 1 the longer side, but I don't think there's any rule to that. Base 2 is 17 centimeters. We know the height. Look for this dotted line here. The height is 5 centimeters. Okay, line number 3, substitution. Area equals, so let's put the bracket in. Base 1 is 21 plus 17 times the height, which is 5, all over 2. Okay, so in terms of the rules of Bemza, we have to do this step first because it's in the brackets. So let's continue our calculations here. So in the brackets, 21 plus 17. What is 21 plus 17? Well, using your calculators, hopefully you got 38. And then we have 5 all over 2. Now remember, whenever we have a bracket and then a number or a letter, this means multiplication. So let's do the multiplication first so that we have a new numerator. So using your calculator, what is 38 times 5? 38 times 5 is 190. Don't forget, it's still over 2. Now we just have a division question. 190 divided by 2 will give us our answer line. So area equals 190 divided by 2 is 95 centimeters squared. Don't forget the squared because this is an area question. Conclusion statement. Therefore, the area is 95 centimeters squared. Okay, so let's go on to question 2. Again, we're looking for this dotted line. This dotted line means it's the height. The height is 180 millimeters. And then we have the two bases that are perpendicular. Actually, it actually wouldn't be wrong to put another perpendicular symbol here, would it? Okay, so let's begin. Formula line. area of a trapezoid equals bracket base 1 plus base 2 times height all over 2 divided by 2. All right, let's write in what we know. Base 1 equals, I'll put the bigger number here, 300 millimeters. Base 2 equals 245 millimeters. And the height is 180 millimeters. Okay, let's go to the substitution line. Area equals, well, what's base 1? Base 1 was 300 plus base 2, 245 times height. I'm going to actually put the times here so that I don't forget. Times 180, all divided by 2. So I'm running out of room here, so I'm just going to continue my calculation line below. Okay, now according to the rules of BEMSA, we have to do brackets first. So using your calculator, what is 300 plus 245? Well, I got 545. So let's rewrite what we know. So the bracket is 545. That's what we got for the bracket. Then it's multiplied by the height, which is 180, all over 2. Okay, let's find the new numerator. 545 times 180. So using your calculator, solve for that. I got 98,100. Don't forget, we have to divide it by 2. All right, so please use your calculator and then we'll drop down to the answer line. 98,100 divided by 2 equals 49,050 millimeters squared. Final statement. Therefore, the area is 49,050 millimeters squared. Okay, again, we'll get lots of practice using that formula. So, thanks for watching this section of the area supernote, section E, area of trapezoids. Bye.